This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Larry Townsend. A moderate fixer-upper. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home requires some TLC to be great. Kitchen needs updating, painting needed. Flooring required and appliances need updating. Enclosed porch needs work. Replacement windows are in good shape. This L-shaped rancher has a large family room, roomy dining room area and huge living room, 27 by 15. Master bedroom has nice walk-in closet. Gas heat and gas hot water heater. A little sweat equity makes this a great investment and great future home. For more information, review the details below.